Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Mac password. First, you'll need to restart your Mac. As it reboots, immediately press and hold Command and R keys together. Keep holding them until you see the Apple logo or a spinning globe. This action will boot your Mac into Mac OS recovery mode, which is crucial for accessing the password reset utility. Make sure your Mac is plugged in to avoid any power interruptions during this important process. Once your Mac restarts, hold down the Command and R keys simultaneously. Continue holding them until the Apple logo or a spinning globe appears on your screen. This indicates that your Mac is entering Mac OS recovery mode. After a short loading period, you will see the Mac OS Utilities window. This window offers several options, including disk utility, time machine backup, and most importantly for us, the ability to reinstall Mac OS or access password reset tools. Within the Mac OS Utilities window, navigate to the menu bar at the top of your screen. Click on Utilities and then select Terminal from the drop-down menu. A new terminal window will open. In this window, type reset password as one word without any spaces, and then press the return key. This command will launch the password reset assistant. You will then be prompted to select the user account for which you wish to change the password. After typing reset password in terminal, a new window will appear, allowing you to select the user account you want to reset. Choose the correct account, then enter your desired new password in the designated fields. You'll need to type it twice to confirm. It's also a good idea to add a password hint, which can be very helpful if you ever forget it again. Once confirmed, click Save or Reset Password and then restart your Mac to log in with your brand new password.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.